for the last little while I've been throwing the challenge out to our experts to say, if I was to pull the plug on all of your paid research resources, I want to know if you'd be able to sort of find out the information you need to buy a property, and he was only able to use free research websites. Will you accept the challenge?
Yes, I accept your challenge. I don't like it, but I accept it.
He doesn't like it.
Absolutely.
All right.
Challenge accepted.
I'm ready to go.
Oh, I've done this.
We do accept the challenge, and I'm happy to tell you what we do.
I've got one more. And you know how I sort of like hacking things and
yeah.
working with the system and then around it. I'm not sure how long it will take for them to realise that we're doing this, but
And click on the property, and on the right hand side it will give you a bunch of information that we can use.
So it's a really good site that we use even today, even though it is free.
Familiarise yourself with the area, which is difficult if you're buying interstate.
And now we're on to the next step.
Well, before we do that, I might just point here, you've got this fancy formula here, and we'll put the details in the notes below so you can see this formula. But
So it's not really a forecast of the future, it's just a consensus view, and it's what they call the implied yield curve. So
this one here was particularly bad. If we go month on month,
Yeah.
there was zero inflation.
Yeah.
Right? So this one's on a slightly busier road, hence the lower price.
And then this house looks bigger than this house, but until you actually work out the dimensions, you actually realise, oh, that's an optical illusion.
Has anyone been putting in any permits of late in regards to, well,
So this is important for you, Ben.